Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a DoorDash account in the United States. If you're ready to start ordering delicious food from the comfort of your home, let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is install the app on our device. Open the Play Store from your phone and type DoorDash in the search engine. Select the official DoorDash app and hit Install. Once the application is installed, click on Open. When you launch the application, you will be prompted to log in. But since we don't have an account yet, select the Register option at the top. On the registration page, complete the fields with your first name, last name, and email address. Be sure to use a valid email address, as you will need to verify your account through it. Next, you will need to provide your phone number. DoorDash will send a verification code to that number to ensure that the account is associated with a valid phone number. Once you have entered the verification code, click on Register or Confirm to complete the registration process. And that's it. You now have a DoorDash account ready to start using. And there you have it. You have successfully completed the process of creating a DoorDash account in the United States. You can now explore a wide variety of restaurants and place your favorite food orders with ease. Ready to enjoy a dining experience without leaving home? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.